Generally, we've moored in a place where there's no other boats and there's no house overlooking the area. It's a cove and you're looking at waterfalls cascading down and mountaintops and glaciers and the beautiful scenery.
The naturalist is very clear that if something better happens, that's what we're doing. And the schedule goes out the window. If there's a bear over here or a whale feeding over there, we're looking at what everybody wants to look at.
The beauty of Alaska in a very low-key manner, it's something that everybody should experience.
We met as strangers and we've made friends along the way, and I would tell you probably lifetime friends. It's been great.
There's really no one else around. It's dead quiet, and you just get out into some protected water and can go wherever you want. And how cool is that? That's a memory I will never forget.
It's the richest humpback whale area in the world. Lunge feeding, bubble net feeding. I've seen orcas circling, trying to snatch either a Steller sea lion or a harbor seal off the rocks. They're there, everything's there.
It was all perfect.